Bridges for dental use are a popular method of replacing teeth that are missing, as well as the expense of this procedure fluctuating dependent on the nation that it's carried out. Since the past few years, Turkey has become an increasingly popular location for dental tourism. It offers quality dental treatment with a smaller price of the countries of Europe. In this clip, we'll look at the price of dental bridges within Turkey as well as Europe and look at some of the aspects which can make Turkey an appealing option for individuals on a limited budget. Cost of dental bridges in Europe. In Europe, there is a high cost for dental bridges could be high, and prices vary in accordance with the country of origin and the level of complexity procedure. A typical dental bridge within Europe will cost between €500 up to €3,000 for each tooth, which makes it a substantial investment for people who need numerous bridges. Cost of dental bridges in Turkey. Turkey has become one of the most sought-after destinations for dental tourism, with an increasing number of foreign travelers coming to Turkey for dental services at a reasonable cost. The price of dental bridges in Turkey is considerably lower than in Europe, as prices vary between €300 up to €1,000 every tooth. This is what makes Turkey an economical choice for patients who want to get dental bridges fitted with no financial burden. Quality of care in Turkey. Even with the less expensive cost, the high quality of care for dental patients is not compromised. Turkey remains unaffected. The majority of dentists in Turkey were educated as well as training through Europe or in the United States, and are expertly trained and proficient with a range of dental procedures. These include bridges for dental use. In addition, clinics for dental patients in Turkey are outfitted with most modern equipment and adhere to high hygiene standards, making sure that patients receive the most advanced standard of care that is available. Travel and accommodation. One of the primary benefits that dental bridges offer in Turkey is the chance to mix dental treatments along with a peaceful getaway. Turkey is a stunning country that has a long culture and beautiful landscapes, so it is a great option for travelers who want to discover a brand new cultural experience as well as improve their dental health. In addition, the cost of lodging and travel to Turkey is reasonably cheap, making it a cost-effective option for those with the tightest budget. In terms of getting dental bridges for a reasonable price, Turkey is a cost-effective as well as high-quality choice in comparison to Europe. With a lower price, highly skilled dentists, as well as beautiful scenery, Turkey offers a compelling alternative to those who want for a low-cost option without compromising on quality. Therefore, if you're seeking dental bridges, but you are worried over the price, you should consider going to Turkey for your dental care and enjoy the benefits from dental tourism for yourself.